Okay, so this is my car. How do I open this?
Oh, let's hear the horn quickly.
Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna open this, and I don't know. Oh, here we go.
Oh, it's just like my brother's. Can you change the color?
This is on brake. Why? Yeah, it changes color once in a while. Okay, so this is my car. It's for my
The bug?
C16. Yeah, but it's because I'm obsessed with bugs. Sack. Okay, and so listen to a good song. You can't see anything.
Beautiful.
Daddy, daddy.
Oh, what happened here?
Oh, so here's some little things that happened. This is broken, but that's okay. We're gonna get that fixed, and it's this thing. Ow. And there's a few little problems, but that's okay. We're gonna get it fixed. See, this is my little car.
Red light, pornographic damn sights.
And it's got a cute little this guy. How do I open this thing?
Oh, how do you open it?
There's sunroof.
Open it.
I can't. I don't know how.
Daddy, I'm so sorry, yeah.
Right here,
We
side.
just like to party like
That's right
a
there.
party, yeah.
Hold on. Move for a sec, God.
What? I can't. I don't know if I'm allowed to take the brake off here yet.
I'm not gonna drive away.
I know, but do you want to go reverse?
Okay.
Okay, hold this.
This is us doing something totally illegal.
Oh, I can't. There's a car behind us.
Oh, that's why your mom probably parks there.
Shit, if I roll back on her, you know how much trouble I'll be in? Wait.
Don't fuck.
Zach, what are you freaking worrying about?
How do you open this sunroof?
I don't know. I'm going to figure out. Put it down a little bit.
I'm so sorry, yeah. We just like to party like a party, yeah.
What's this? That's where the time is.
Yeah. Is it right here?
Okay, other way.
I don't know.
Other way. I'm telling you.
Oh, it's closed. Oh! Okay, Zach, stick your head out the window.
It's gonna
Wait.
close, Abby.
I
No,
want the
you're
heat on.
blowing cold air. You have to let your car warm up. Look at see this
I
gauge.
know.
It tells you how hot.
I know, but I want it to keep going anyways.
Hey, that's just us outside the car. Word, it's inside.
Wait, what one's brake?
Rand, you took your driver's ed yesterday.